Integrating EveryDollar zero-based budgeting into your financial routine can be a game changer for managing your money effectively. To start, it is essential to understand what zero-based budgeting means. This method requires you to assign every single dollar of your income to a specific category or expense, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for and working towards your financial goals. The first step is to determine your total monthly income. This includes all sources of income, such as your salary, investments, and any side hustles. Once you have this number, you can begin allocating funds to different categories. EveryDollar, a budgeting tool, allows you to create a personalized budget that fits your unique financial situation. Next, identify your essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation costs. These are the must-haves that you need to survive and should be prioritized. First, allocate funds to these categories based on your average monthly expenses. For example, if your rent is $1,000 per month, you would assign $1,000 to the housing category. After covering essential expenses, move on to savings and debt repayment. Allocate a portion of your income to an emergency fund, retirement savings, and any high-interest debt you may have. The key to zero-based budgeting is to make sure every dollar is working towards a specific goal. Whether it is paying off debt, building savings, or investing in your future. Now, consider discretionary spending, such as entertainment, hobbies, and travel. While these are not essential, they are important for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Allocate a reasonable amount to these categories based on your personal preferences and financial priorities. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. As your income and expenses change, your budget should too. EveryDollar allows you to track your spending and stay on top of your finances, making it easier to make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to guide you, you can create a zero-based budget that helps you achieve financial stability and success. Remember, the goal is to give every dollar a job, ensuring that your money is working efficiently towards your financial goals. With discipline and patience, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future.